Avolon is an aircraft leasing company. To put simply, we raise capital, we acquire new commercial aircraft, and we lease those aircraft to airlines all over the world.
From acquisition in 2010, Cinven's financial services sector team has made sure Avolon has industry-leading strength and structure.
One of the critical elements of our investment in Avolon is to get the management team right. And whilst Avolon is a very young company, what we've put in place is a management team with tremendous industry experience.
The Avolon team boasts a combined 270 years' experience in aircraft leasing. It's led by Donal Slattery.
We're good to get going. 2 o'clock global call.
Before Avolon, he founded and built the world's third largest aircraft financier.
I think the next few months will be interesting in terms of how the ultimate buyers of aircraft differentiate.
Avolon's deep relationships within the industry make it the preferred partner for many of the world's leading airline operators. By deliberately assembling a fleet of new and young aircraft, Avolon is working with the most modern, fuel-efficient aircraft in the market, aircraft that will be in demand and retain high value when their current leases are up. Newest of all is this Airbus A330, Avolon's 55th delivered aircraft.
We're here today in Toulouse, in the southwest of France, at the world headquarters of the Airbus factory. We are today going to deliver a new A330 aircraft to Avianca TACA.
We're focused on economies that are showing sustainable, high growth on a year-in, year-out basis. And specifically, we're focused on Asia, where over 30% of our current portfolio is based. We're seeing about 7% year-on-year annual growth in demand. And the driver behind that is this growing middle class that are beginning to fly for the first time. In fact, we think about it, what happens when 1 billion Chinese people want to fly?
Avolon's strategy is to do business in Europe and North America, but to target Latin America, Russia and Asia, economies where the airline industry is showing strong, sustained growth.
百年世博梦
China Eastern is one of the top 3 airlines in China. They're a high-growth airline, extremely well-run. They're publicly quoted on the New York Stock Exchange. They're an airline that we have invested heavily with, and we continue to do so.
With its hub in Shanghai, China Eastern operates a fleet of 320 aircraft with an average age of less than 7 years. Serving nearly 77 million travellers annually puts it among the world's top 10 airlines by passenger volume. It's the 4th most valuable airline globally. Cinven has helped to ensure Avolon has best-in-class risk management systems designed to deliver reliable growth.
When we launched the business in May 2010, we had a very clear 5-year strategic growth plan, and that was to build a business to about 160 aircraft, $6 billion, and to deliver $650 million of EBITDA by 2015.
An important success factor for Avolon in achieving this growth plan is the fact that it has a committed capital base in place. Not all of Avolon's competitors do, and in the current turbulent market conditions, they'll find it more difficult to raise equity and debt.
Despite the very challenging macroeconomic environment, we are on track with our business plan. The reason for that, fundamentally, is the quality of our team and their ability to deliver and originate business for us around the world. And that's what Avolon is all about.